In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Appsmith using Airtable Personal Access Tokens. We'll keep this simple and secure. First, we'll create a personal access token in Airtable with the right permissions, and then we'll use that token to add Airtable as a data source in Appsmith. By the end, your Appsmith app will be ready to talk to Airtable using a secure, scoped token. Start in Airtable. Open your account settings and head to the Developer Hub. There, create a new personal access token. Give it a clear name so you can recognize its purpose later, and think about least privilege. Only grant what you need. For read-only dashboards, choose the data. .records. Read scope. If you know you'll be adding or updating records from Appsmith, include data.records. Write as well. Next, grant access to the specific base or bases you want this token to reach. This keeps your token tightly scoped to just the data your app requires. When you generate the token, copy it right away and store it somewhere safe. You'll only see it once. Treat it like a secret. Don't share it publicly or paste it into version control or chat. Now switch over to Appsmith. Open your workspace and go to the Data Sources section. Click the option to create a new data source and select Airtable from the list. In the authentication area, choose API key or personal access token. Paste the token you just copied from Airtable into the field provided and then save. Appsmith will handle the secure storage and automatically send the token as part of your Airtable API requests, so you don't need to configure headers manually. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. If you only need to read data, stick to read scope. Add write scope only when necessary. Limit the token's access to just the bases your app uses. Consider setting a sensible expiration and plan for rotation so you can periodically replace it without downtime. If you see an authorization error later, double check that the token has the required scopes and that the base you're trying to access is included in its permissions. That's all you need to connect Airtable to Appsmith using a personal access token. You've created a scoped token in Airtable, granted it access to the right bases, and saved it in an Airtable data source on Appsmith. From here, you're ready to use that data source in your apps and keep your data access secure and controlled.